And yes, it's getting close to the middle of January. I have no idea when this will be uploaded, and my tree is still up. Hey everyone, this is Rose, and welcome to my random channel. This is gonna be another one of my double mystery Ipsy bag unbaggings. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll put my playlist down below. Basically, I am a beauty hoarder, and I have boxes in my closet that are full of monthly box subscriptions, and at the time when I would get them, I would open them, go through them, maybe take some things out, leave them all in, throw it back in the box, and I would honestly forget about them. And so I decided to do these videos now, reviewing these past bags. They could be from a year ago, last month, 3 years ago, 4 years ago. Just because I find it interesting to kind of do these random unbaggings and kind of like surprise myself again. And then something else that I do is I compare the sample values of both bags so you can actually get an idea of, has this program improved? Does it suck now? Did it suck back then? And so if you're interested in joining Ipsy, I will put my link down below. Of course, you don't have to use it. And it's one of the 3 cheap, I think, there's only 3 beauty boxes out there that are actually the most affordable, being at 10 bucks. There's Sephora Play, Birchbox, and then Ipsy, which used to be My Glam. But anyway, I'm gonna get into these 2 bags. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, I can tell one is very recent and one is really old. So old that I may not be able to tell what month it is. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and show you this one first. I don't even have the typical pink envelope that normally comes in. I literally pulled this out just like this. So yeah, this had a thing called On the Wild Side. And this was the card. If you want to learn more about Ipsy, I would suggest you to check out my playlist and watch an early video, because I talk about all the benefits. They do have something new now that I think I have yet to talk about. The whole cashback, kind of like Ebates type thing that they have going out if you order products from the website. This is the bag with the animal prints. And all right. I got 4 products. First one is a NYX Rouge Cream Blush in the color Orange. Which, me being oily skinned, I think I've only ever used one cream blush before. It was by Besame. It worked fairly well. Just because I'm oily, I do prefer powder blushes, but I will give this a try. I know these can be used on the lips and eyes as well, so. Next thing is J-Cat Beauty, which I know is more well known now. I can remember when I first pulled this out forever ago, I was just like, who is J-Cat Beauty? But this is a sparkling cream palette. I'm very curious about this, is whether or not, one, if it's still good, and then this is in the color Susie. Next thing is a Starlooks Tickle Me Pink. I believe this has to be a lip liner, and this looks like it's definitely full size. And I'm assuming that this must be the color of the tip. And then the last thing is by Jacqueline, which I do also believe this is full size. So 4 full size, at least 3, possibly 4 full size products. This is the box that it comes in. And then let's see what color this is. All right, this is actually purple. At Jacqueline, they actually give you the brush and the tip, which I think is pretty cool. And then the actual product is right here, which, yeah, looking at it, that's definitely a purple color, so. All right, so the value of this, what the value of it is at. And then let me get into this most recent bag. I'm thinking this is actually December, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it looks like it'd be a festive December bag. One thing I will note is that the bags are definitely nicer. This is like, obviously not leather, like a polyurethane, whatever that's called, like a windbreaker material. And then this actually, even though it may not be genuine leather, is soft and actually feels like leather. So I can say definitely the bags have improved. This one actually only has a card in it. I know the previous month I actually got a pamphlet talking about one of their new cashback programs, which if you're interested in learning more about it, you can check out the website. Okay, first thing I have is a Rodale Glam Lash Mascara XXL. Definitely a sample size, 6 milliliters, 0.2 fluid ounces. Next thing is from First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser with Fab Antioxidant Booster. 28.3 grams, 1 fluid ounce. Definitely a sample size. The thing that fell is actually, I believe this is a full-size NYX liner. It's that very famous Stay On All Day one with the really long, ridiculous name. The outside of this is like a brown color, so I'm assuming this is a brown liner. Brown Perfection. Yeah, it's definitely like a dark brown color. So the color of this pencil actually goes with my nail polish, which is funny. So that's definitely a full-size product. Another one is a Luxie Brush 239 Precision Shader, which I actually do like Luxie brushes. They're actually pretty nice. See, they've changed their packaging from the pink, the bright pink that they usually have. Synthetic bristles. And the last thing, interesting enough, has a not for resale sticker on it. I've heard good things from Tati about these very affordable eyeshadows that are very, very pigmented. City Color Cosmetics Shimmer Shadow, and it's called It's a Girl, and I'm pretty sure this is full-sized. I apologize for not swatching everything, because this is basically like an unbagging. But I think I might swatch this because I've heard really great things. That feels really smooth. Yeah, that wasn't really that impressive. Let me do the inside of my arm. Oh, wow. Really nice pigmentation. Of course, I had the swatch, the most awkward part of my arm. The value of this bag, which I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's December 2017 bag. And then both the values. And am I still a member? Of course I am. So this is it. Again, this is Rose, and thank you so much for watching this crap. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you found this at all helpful or entertaining, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, become a part of my random family. And don't forget to click that bell for notifications. And until next time, I hope you all have a great day, and you will see me again hopefully very soon.